Okay, today we continue with the fractions, multiplication and division. Last time we did addition and subtraction. Let's say we have 1/4 times 2/4. You simply multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators and then reduce your fraction to its simplest form. In this case it will be 1/2, 4/4, so we get 2/16, which we can reduce to 1/8. If we have 1/4 divided by 2/4, in the case of division, you take the second fraction and invert it. Once you invert the second fraction, you can go ahead and multiply. So it will be 1/4 divided by 2/4 is same as 1/4 times 4/2. Then we get 4/8, which can be reduced to half, to 1/2. Now 5/4 divided by 5/3. So we go ahead, we invert the second fraction so that we can multiply. So 5/3 becomes 3/5. Then we have 5/3, 15, 4/5, 20. Then we reduce, we divide both by the highest common factor, which is 5. So we divide 5 into 15, 3, 5 into 24. Our answer is 3/4. Now let's look at examples. 1/3 times 2/5. We go ahead, 1/2, 2, 3/5, 15. This fraction is in its simplest form. Now 2.5 times 5/2. Let's convert that improper fraction into a mixed number. We did that last time, in a mixed number into an improper fraction. So we'll get 5/2 times 5/2. 5/5, 25, 2/2, 4. And that one is an improper fraction. We need to express it as a mixed number, unless if you specify that you must leave it as an improper fraction. Then this third one, 2.5 divided by 3/2. Let's change that mixed number. It becomes 5/2, then divided by 3/2. If you don't know how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction, you can refer to the previous videos. So now we have 5/2 divided by 3/2. Then we can invert 3/2 so that we can multiply. So it becomes 5/2 times 2/3. Then 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6. Then this is an improper fraction. Let's convert it into a mixed number. 6 into 10, it's 1, remainder 4. So we'll write our whole number as 1, and then the 4, the remainder becomes the numerator, divided by 6. But still, 4/6 is not in its simplest form. Our answer must be in its simplest form. Then we have 1 and 2/3. That's the answer. Then the last example, 1 and 1/3 divided by half. Convert 1 and 1/3, you get 4/3 divided by 1/2. Then we can go ahead and invert 1/2 so that we can multiply. So it will be 4/3 times 2/1, which then becomes 4/2, 8, 3/1, 3. Then this is an improper fraction. Let's express it as a mixed number. 3 into 8, 2, remainder 2. So 2 and 2/3. Thank you very much.